playing again Glide Tower. I'm just gonna try to get up into the end. It's gonna be like not hard for me, but it's gonna be hard. Let's go through.
It's on one button. This was videos. Daniel. Watch.
This is so snaaks nie.
Doen hulle. Watch.
Bro, this is now it's so easy, but in the past it was not so easy for me. Now that I got you guys, it's very easy. Bro, why it's so easy? It's so easy, but I don't know why for them. Okay, guys. This is my epic game. I can't lie. What? So yeah, guys. Bro, it's not so easy. This is the farthest what I got or no? Hey,
Daniel.
but this part is so tricky.
Watch this one.
Who's talking about people's yachts? This is the farthest I go. There's that.
Mijn chocolade is op.
Why am I so bad at this? How many percent do I have? Ja, meine. Ek rage quit. No!
Can I play?
No. Hey, yo. Guys, why am I so bad? I'm a baddie. That's how the pro does that flies. You guys, I'm not sure, I'm 9 years old. Sorry. Why is that so good? No. Okay, guys, that's the video. I tried my best, but I guess that's the video. So I thank you guys for watching my stream. I will talk with you again like 5 o'clock. Cheers, guys.